Hey friends! Today we are going to one of the most famous places in the world, Niagara Falls. So friends, let's explore that place together. We're finally hitting the road. This backpack is heavy, but we're ready for adventure.
The weather is perfect today and the journey is long, but I am super excited to show you the massive waterfalls.
This beautiful forest keeps me energized. We are getting closer to our destination. Time for some delicious camp dinner after a very long walk today.
Good morning, everyone. I slept so well. Today is the big day. We reached the falls. The view from here is breathtaking. The air is so fresh.
Can you hear that? That is the roar of Niagara Falls. We are finally very close.
Finally, friends, we have finally arrived at the spectacular Niagara Falls. It is absolutely magnificent.
Did you know that Niagara Falls is not just one waterfall? It is actually made up of 3 different waterfalls: the Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls. Here's an amazing fact. About 3,160 tons of water flows over Niagara Falls every single second.
We are gonna get as close to the waterfall as possible on a boat tour. Get ready to get wet.
Scientists say that Niagara Falls is moving backwards. Because of water erosion, the falls cut back about—
Wow, that was an unforgettable experience. I am completely soaked, but it was totally worth it.